Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we'll be preparing chocolate ganache. It looks so beautiful. We'll start with the ingredients now. I've taken 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1/3 cup of butter, and half cup of milk. Now we'll add all the ingredients one after the other. I've added milk to it. I'll add sugar and I'll just let this dissolve for a while. I'll just mix this. Now next I'll be adding butter and cocoa powder. And if you like my recipe, do subscribe to my channel guys, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you're trying this recipe. So I'm just combining this really well with the help of a spatula. And once I've combined that, I'll just start whisking this because we need a smooth texture for our ganache. So while we are whisking, we'll just subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification on so that every time I post a new video, you will be notified about it. So this is the consistency. It took about 6 to 8 minutes for me to get this consistency. You can also use a hand blender and that'll be very easy. And here's our chocolate ganache, so beautiful and glossy. Thank you so much for watching guys.